To be honest, I've really wanted to do this video, guys, about the difference between global internet fortunes and Boldcashers. It's really confusing to know which one to take and which one not to go for, but I hope you'll make your decision once you watch this video, because I'll be honest, period. I'll start with GAF. Yeah, I'll start with global internet fortunes. If you have not seen my video that the video that I've posted about global internet fortunes, how it works, how everything is done there, how to join GIF and everything, the link will be in the description below. So please remember. Why do I like doing this? Okay, I like doing like okay, please, if you have not watched my video, go ahead. There will be a link in the description bar. Just click on the link to watch the video. Simple. And then here we are just talking about the difference between GIF and Boldcashers. So GIF is a great company, a very great one, and I've worked with GIF for like a year and a half now. If not a year and a half, it's like 2 years I've been in GIF. If I say GIF, it means Global Internet Fortunes. So if I say BC, it means Boldcashers. Yeah, so those are the short term for them, like abbreviations. Yeah, so here's what I want to tell you guys. GIF is a great business, especially if you're doing it like full time. It is very, very perfect. But if you're working on your studies, if you can put into the work, then yeah, because I'm also doing it when I'm studying. So I'll tell you the differences between both of them. My experience with GIF has been great, and I want to share with you guys. So first, they provide websites, of which Boldcashers does not. Yeah, in Boldcashers there are no products, I guess. Yeah, there are no products, like actual products, like a website. There is no actual product, but there is a way you earn that is different from GIF. Yeah, and it is also like people really earn crazily there. GIF, there is like payment is every Friday. In Boldcashers, payment is daily. And then in GIF, payment you withdraw on Sunday, on the previous Sunday, so that on Friday you get your money. When you work with Boldcashers, you can withdraw anytime and money will just be instant on your account. Those are some of the differences. And also in GIF, there are mentors, like real mentors, like millionaires. They are there, they mentor you, they take you through every step to customize a website, to grow your team, they train you. So those are the things that are not there in like Boldcashers. If you really want to grow a sustainable business, I'd advise do Global Internet Fortunes. I know it is joining fee, as you've watched my previous video, the joining fee is 5,500. It is not a lot of money compared to what you will actually earn from the business. Yeah, because the skills and the programs going in there, okay, there are things that if you go to big organizations, you can pay like a lot of money for them, just for someone to speak to you or to mentor you. It's a lot of money, and you get them freely, just for free in GIF. That's why I have been so productive after I joined that business. There is a lot of like work going in there. Even if you don't earn money every week, or if you don't earn money in a month, trust me, whatever is going in there is very productive, even in outside life, even in whatever aspect of life. It will grow you. So in BC there are spins. So there is a spin wheel every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I think. Yeah, so if there is this spin, they spin every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And some people don't spin, they only spin on Mondays Some, I don't know. Yeah, so especially on Monday, people like Monday, so they spin and you get free cash. So that is something great about. Ebu, reduce your volume. Christine. So that is something that is also great in BC. You can earn free money, which is not the IGF, like, actually. Yeah, you can earn very free money from spins. And in GF, there's no free money. You just have to work and put it into work, because you get all the mentorship. You get all the mentorship you need from the business. So there is nothing like free money, like the spin wheel in BC. And then in BC there is something called cash chat up. So this cash chat up, okay, this cash oh my god. Ujaluo ni gharama. Okay, so this cash okay, this cash chat up. Yeah, I've spelled it right. This cash chat up helps you, like, there is this, you run adverts on the, okay, it's just like WhatsApp. That app is just like WhatsApp. And then difference from WhatsApp is that it's a bit slow, and then there's no any other difference, because there is a status view, and then there is ads. Yeah, so these ads, if you get views from ads, you get paid. Yeah, it is just like almost like YouTube, where you partner with YouTube and the advertising companies, so that you can get a share when people watch ads from your video. Yeah, it is just like that, but that one is now an app. So if you get views, ad views, for a specific period of time, you get paid. It's that easy. Yeah, so the money is just good money, like good money. Yeah, so there are reasons also to join BC, because that app is really great, trust me. So in JF, what can I remember in JF that is very different? Because some things are just the same. The way you market, the way you get prospects, it's just the same thing. And if you've not seen my previous video, kindly about global internet fortunes, how it works, the link is in the description, but let it not miss you. People are going for these things, so don't be left out. Yeah, the amount is just 5,500, and you'll just join the business. So I'll leave my link down in the description bar. And also, I'm in Boldcashers also. Yeah, I'm in Boldcashers, and I've worked with Boldcashers for like 2 weeks now. It's not 2 weeks, it's almost a month. Yeah, with Boldcashers for almost a month now, and the results is positive, because I've earned a lot of money. Like, okay, not a lot of money. I don't want to use a lot of, I don't know why I like using that word. I have earned a I have earned a significant amount. It's just that because I'm working on other platforms too. I'm also I'm also uploading YouTube videos, I'm editing. So when there is a lot in my table, like, income cannot come like really like a full-timer. You know what I mean? Yeah. So my income cannot be like that much like a full-timer. No way. Yeah. So to join Boldcashers, yeah, I forgot. To join GIF, you need 5,500. To join Boldcashers, you need 1550 shillings only. Yeah, and I'll leave my link down in the description bar, so that you can use. If you want to join Boldcashers, it's only 1550. There is no renewals. And by the way, in GIF there are renewals, but nowadays it's optional, I guess. Yeah, they've implemented that one for optional. So there is optional renewals of 1500 every month, so that one needs like a lot of effort and work. Yeah, they need really serious people in there. So if you're not serious, even don't try joining JF, because it's only for few individuals who are serious to make an income from it. But BC, there is no renewals, it's only 1550, and then you join the business instantly. So once you create an account and all that, just reach me out and I will help you out. If you've decided that, okay, I'm joining GIF or I'm joining Boldcashers, I will help you out. Yeah, so those are the differences. I think I'm very clear enough. Yes, I'm very clear enough. And then the ranks in GIF are different from the ranks, like the way people earn. Yeah, the income tree. Yeah, that the way people earn from referrals is different from the way people earn in what, in BC, in referrals. They're different, and they're different categories. So if you guys want a separate video on how like the levels, how to earn from levels in BC and in JF, let me know in the description below. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to know how like the levels work in GIF and in Boldcashers, let me know in the description bar, because this video was only for finding out the difference between global internet fortunes and the and what, BC. Yeah, Boldcashers. So you guys, I hope you can decide which one to take between Boldcashers and global internet fortunes. And in case you didn't get anything, just rewind the video. Feel free, like, just rewind the video and then absorb absorb, like, just absorb everything that I've said, so that you can get whatever I'm saying. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't just rush it. Yeah, so put your money where you think is very effective. I think that's it for this video, guys. In case I left anything out, remind me in the description below, because I know some people will always argue. So if you think I forgot anything, remind me in the description below, and I'll catch up with you guys in my next video, actually. So yeah, bye for now. Yeah, my next video will be about why you should join Boldcashers. Yeah, that is my next video. Reasons why you should join Boldcashers, because I've already talked about GIF a lot. So it will be about Boldcashers, and another one will be about the, like, okay, like websites that can pay you. Yeah, 5 websites that can pay you. So if you like, the next one will be about websites that you can earn money from, like even $1,000, $100, whatever amount, just from the website. So I'll do that video and upload it for you guys to see. I think I have a good number of websites that I know that can pay you every day and every week. So I'll do also that video, and if you want to see when I upload those videos, guys, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss my next upload whenever I upload my new video. And then share this video with your friends, your family, and those who are close to you that you think it might be meaningful to. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. So bye and peace.